Remove any debris from the flange so the wax ring and bolts can seat properly. Start by shutting off water and removing the toilet following standard safety steps so you can access the flange directly. Use a flashlight and a small mirror if needed to inspect the entire flange bore and the bolt slots for grout, old wax, rust, or bits of toilet paper. For soft deposits, scrape gently with a flat screwdriver or putty knife, working around the bolt holes and down into the flange channel until the surface is smooth and free of compressible material. For hardened wax, warm it slightly with a hairdryer to soften, then peel and scrape away, taking care not to gouge or deform the flange plastic or cast iron. If debris is lodged deeper, use a long narrow tool such as a drywall or utility knife blade held at a shallow angle to lever out material, keeping hands clear and using steady controlled motions. Finally, wipe the area with a rag dampened with denatured alcohol or simple household cleaner to remove residue, then dry completely so the wax ring can compress uniformly. Common problems start with leaving bits of old wax that compress unevenly and cause leaks, so always remove wax fully and check with a gloved finger to confirm smoothness. Another issue is clogged bolt slots or extension rings that prevent bolts from seating straight, which you fix by clearing those slots with a screwdriver tip or needle nose pliers and inserting new bolts if they are corroded. A third frequent mistake is inadvertently damaging the flange while scraping, which weakens the seal. To avoid that, use plastic scrapers or low-angle metal tools and stop if you meet strong resistance, switching to softer methods like warming or solvent. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to flange repair and toilet installation and lets contractors list their services to get matched with nearby work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about plumbing preparation and installation.